Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Today, we're going to be talking about the 10 best ways to make money online as a complete beginner. Freelancing. One of the easiest ways to start making money online is by offering your skills and services as a freelancer. This can include things like writing, graphic design, social media management, and more. You can find freelance work on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Selling products online. Another great way to make money online is by selling products through platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. You can sell physical products that you source from suppliers or create yourself, or you can sell digital products like ebooks or printables. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or website, you can make money by promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. This is known as affiliate marketing, and it's a great way to monetize your online presence. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products from a supplier without actually holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, and you get a cut of the sale. Online courses and coaching. Another way to make money online is by creating and selling online courses or offering coaching and consulting services. This is a great option if you have expertise in a specific area and want to share your knowledge with others. Social media management. If you have a knack for social media and are comfortable managing accounts for businesses or individuals, you can offer your services as a social media manager. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing and want to share your thoughts and ideas with the world, starting a blog can be a great way to make money online. You can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Virtual assisting. As a virtual assistant, you can offer your administrative, technical, or creative skills to help businesses and entrepreneurs run more efficiently. Survey taking. While it won't make you rich, taking online surveys can be a simple and easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Selling photos online. If you're a skilled photographer, you can sell your photos online through websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. These are just a few of the many ways you can make money online as a complete beginner. The key is to find a method that aligns with your skills and interests, and to be consistent and persistent in your efforts. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on making money online. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.